So our topic is sterilization. As we know that pasteurization conditions are not sufficient to inactivate the thermoresistant spores in the milk because the temperature is less than 100 degrees Celsius. But in the sterilization, the temperature is above 100 degrees Celsius for several seconds. So sterilization is the term used for process to destroy all the microorganisms present, both vegetative forms and spores, or make them incapable of growth in the product. So sterilization reduces the organism and it expressed by the decimal reduction. Example is sterilizing effect of 9 means 10 to the power 9 reduction. That is, out of 10 to the power 9 spores, only one, which is 10 to the power 0 spores, will survive. So sterilization is done at the 135 degrees Celsius for few seconds and filled in aseptically in Tetra Pak. So test organism used is different for both type of sterilization. For the UST, we have Bacillus subtilis spores and Bacillus stereothermophilus spore. But for the in-can sterilization, we have Clostridium botulinum spore. Nutritive aspects. Like during the sterilization, what are the effects that are caused on the various constituents of the milk? Like the fat, there is no changes in the fat. Lactose, marginal changes. Protein, partial denaturization, and mineral salts, partial precipitation, and vitamins, marginal losses. In the UST, we have the loss of thiamine, which is vitamin B1, of about less than 3%. In the in-can sterilization, the loss of thiamine is 20%. Loss of vitamin B12 and C is in the in-can sterilization is up to 100%. So we have two methods like in-can sterilization and in-flow sterilization, which is UST treatment. In the in-can sterilization, what we do? Milk is filled into the container, bottle, can, glass, etc. Then sealed, and entire container is heated at the 116 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So what is the effect? Like it is very strong and long heating time is required for that. So in that case, browning and vitamin losses and cooked taste will come into the milk. So what is the nutritional loss? Like we have discussed, vitamin C, vitamin B1 and vitamin B12 losses in the in-can sterilization, which is not sufficient. But in the inflow or UST treatment, the milk is sterilized before filling very high temperature for very short time, like very high temperature for very short time, like then filled into the sterilized packages under the aseptic condition. There is everything is sterilized, like the container, the environment, and also the product. Three things are here sterilized. So it is known as UST treatment. Time temperature combination is 135 degrees Celsius for 2 to 5 seconds. And the test organism is Bacillus subtilis or Bacillus stereothermophilus. Effect is less chemical damage as compared to in-can sterilization, and also the less nutritional loss, like only 3% loss of thiamine, which is vitamin B1, and 0.5 to 1% of loss in lysine, and small losses in vitamin C.